Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your headlamp bulb on a Chevy Malibu. The one I'm going to change in is going to be the right side headlamp bulb, which is going to be the harder one. So it's better for you. So it's going to be the same thing for this side over here, the driver's side. The only good thing is you already have access where you can put your hand right here and turn this. Alright, so over here you don't have that luxury right there. Alright, so what you're going to do is hold this right here, give it a nice firm hold, pull up on it, and that's going to give you access to that right there. And you want to hold right here and twist it off and pull back on it. And believe me, it's not as easy, so you have to use a lot of strength to get that off. Alright, and the bulb is inside right there. And go ahead and twist it out and unplug this right here. And the size bulb it take is gonna be a 9005 SL plus. Alright, and so the same way how you take it out, it's gonna be the same way you put it back in. So you want to get your plug down here and plug it in. Put it in the same angle you take it out. So that's locked into place right there. Get your cover. It's right here. And you just gotta put it there and turn it till it fall in, then you twist it, lock it back into the place. These you want to put back this right here, this studs right here, line it up with that, and that studs down there, you line it up down there. Alright, and also line it up with this right here, line up with the bottom part to the intake. That's it, guys. Now it's time to check the headlamp, make sure it works. Got one right there. So yeah, got both headlamp working now. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.